Hello students, and welcome to the second part of our lesson today about writing introduction for an opinion essay. This is just a reminder of the three parts of the introduction. You need to start with a hook, you need to introduce your topic, and then you need to write your opinion and state your reasons. So let's get started. Our topic for today is it's better to grow up with many brothers and sisters than with only a few. So this is the topic. So you need to decide whether you agree or disagree with this statement. Let's move to the brainstorming chart. So in our class today, we will disagree with this statement. Growing up with a few brothers and sisters is better. So you need to state your opinion. You need to show that you are for or against the topic. It's not enough to agree or disagree. You need also to give 3 good reasons for your opinion. And here are the 3 reasons that I chose or I thought about to defend my opinion. The first reason is children can get more attention. The second reason is they can get better education. And the third reason is they can develop strong personality. Okay, let's start writing the introduction. As we said before, step number 1 is to think of a hook, an interesting way to start the introduction. So here, I can start with a question like this. Are you an only child or do you have many brothers and sisters? Or you can start with a fact or observation from the Omani society, like in the past, most Omani families had many children. So that's step number 1. Step number 2 is to introduce the topic. And as we said in the first part of the video, you can describe the current situation around you. So we can say nowadays, a lot of young couples choose to have fewer children. And then you need to state other people's opinion about the topic. For example, you can say, some people think that it's better to grow up with many brothers and sisters than with a few. The third part of the introduction is stating your opinion using phrases to express opinion. And here is an example. In my opinion, growing up with a few brothers and sisters is better than growing up with many siblings for 3 reasons. So if you are wondering about the meaning of the word sibling, it means brothers and sisters. So you can change in my opinion to I think that, or I believe that, or from my point of view, and then you mention your opinion. As you can see, students, the introduction started with a hook, which is the question. Then we introduce the topic by describing the current situation in the society. And then we stated other people's opinion about the topic. And finally, we mentioned the opinion using phrases to express opinion. I hope the different parts of the introduction are clear now to you. And by now, your teacher should have given you the topic to write about. So it's your turn. Write the introduction, remember the 3 parts of the introduction, and send your introduction to the teacher this week, inshallah. Thank you, and I'll see you next lesson.